You said that when you were growing up, you used to sing this song at the yeshiva.
Well, maybe.
When you said goodbye to people, you'd sing Kiva Simcha, right? Or when you were going away for vacations?
That's right. When people, the young congregation, go away for vacation, we sing this to them.
Yeah. And when you were in yeshiva, right?
Kiva Simcha Teitzehu Shalom Tuvalun Harim Yagvaot Yitzchachu Lifnechem Mina V'chol Atzrei Hasadeh Yimhaucha Harim Yagvaot Yitzchachu Lifnechem Mina V'chol Atzrei Hasadeh Yimchaucha. Like it? I'll sell it to you.
It's such a beautiful, the words are so beautiful. Let's see if I could find it. For you shall leave in joy and be led home in peace. The mountains and hills shall shout before you with joy, and all the trees of the field shall clap their hands.
They still do.
They still do, okay. From Isaiah 55:12.